It's 6 a.m. We're headed off to Dayton Cars and Coffee. And normally I don't do like a Cars and Coffee video, but today is a monumental day. Now, when I mentioned it was monumental day, what I meant was it's super early, it's still dark, but the boy got his license 2 weeks ago, and we're taking his car that we built over the last 4 years, his Lexus, to Dayton Cars and Coffee today, and he's driving it. Papa moment here. Look at this dude. Got our ritual McDonald's and we're off. All right, so we're here. We made it. I think my transmission's about done because I can't even hardly get it into gear at all. I think I'm gonna try to adjust the clutch while I'm sitting here. But here we are at Cars and Coffee. What do you think, dude? Thumbs up. He approves.
Too early, that's what I think.
It's very early.
Very.
But we're here.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. I'd drive it. Probably drive that too. Exact opposite.
I would.
Yeah. Cars, they did great. Awesome experience. Success for me and him to finally go to a Cars and Coffee together, especially in two cars that me and him have done together. So now we're gonna go on to the next fun thing, and I'm gonna try to get this car to Kil-kare. Well, they changed the name. It's now Dyno, whatever. And I'm gonna try to get this thing on the dyno to see what kind of power it makes. This transmission really is on its last leg. You can hear it here. Ah, there went the trans. Oh, this thing's done. That hurt inside and outside the car. All right, so we made it out here to Kil-kare, or Dyno, sorry. There's the mobile dyno. We're gonna take the Mustang, put it on there. What I'm gonna do is try to do one pull with the exhaust cut out shut through the muffler, see what it reads, and then the next pull, or next two pulls, are going to be with the cutout open, and we're going to see exactly how much horsepower we lose going through the muffler. right, so we watched a few more cars, and overall the car did much better than I thought it was going to do. I said maybe about 325 with the cutout closed and 350 with it open. But it wind up doing 300 and almost 75 with it closed and all right at 400. It's like 398 and some change with it open. For 8 pounds of boost, I am absolutely excited. And it did far better than I thought it was going to do. And it's pushing like that 450 foot-pounds torque mark. So the bottom end's pretty much about as far as I'm going to go with it. We're back home in one piece. The transmission didn't actually grenade, which was very surprising. All of a sudden, it just started shifting fine again. So this thing is temperamental. I don't know. I'm still going to tear it apart this winter and rebuild it, obviously. But there's a ghost in the machine somewhere. So we got home. A lot of firsts today. A lot of proud dad moments on top of that. You know, cars and coffee with my son. That was a first. Hitting the dyno. That was a first. And the car, like I said, exceeded expectations. Really did. I was expecting about 350 and about 375 torque. Come in right around 400 and 445, which is... That's pushing limits. Now it's on to bigger and better things. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. We'll see you in the next one. And hopefully we have something cool and new then, too. Bye.